Now, in one of the last fiscal bids to revive its falling popularity, the Tories presented a pre-poll budget on Wednesday. The upcoming elections are expected in the second half of 2024. The key points in the budget included a major tax cut, extension of household support fund, and abolition of non-domicile tax regime. UK's finance minister announced a cut in social security contributions for the second time. National insurance contributions have been slashed by 2 percentage points for both employees and the self-employed. This will impact around 27 million workers across the country. The non-domiciled tax status has also been abolished. This means the income of non-domicile residents from abroad will now be taxed. Additionally, access to child benefit payments has also been widened and support for low-income households has been extended.
I have, as a result, decided to maintain the 5p cut and freeze fuel duty for another 12 months. This will save the average car driver £50 next year and bring total savings since the 5p cut was introduced to around £250.
But this budget will still leave tax as a share of national income at 37.1%. According to official forecasts, this is the highest since 1948.
It's still the highest tax burden in years, isn't it, since World War II? Doing a slight tax cut when they've frozen rates for ages and for more people into taxing it is not really a tax cut, is it?
This comes at a time when pollsters are reporting that the popularity of the Tories is at a 45-year low. Across all the national polls, the opposition Labour Party is leading by over 20 points. Cost of living crisis has gripped the country.
Whatever they do probably is just a way to get re-elected. But honestly, the way the situation is currently in London, what I'm seeing and what I'm living as a student living here for the past 4 years, is that prices are increasing, things are just getting more and more expensive. It's harder to live here.
The Labour Party leader Keir Starmer slammed the budget, calling it a desperate act of a party that has failed. The International Monetary Fund had earlier warned against introducing permanent tax cuts, given the country's need for spending on public services. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.